All right, let's take a look at some long-term charts. I've had a couple requests. Oil breaking out to new highs. I was short this morning, 109. I got stopped out when it broke the new highs at 109.62, and it is now a good thing you use stops because now we're at 111.30. So oil is all-time highs again, folks. That's right, all-time highs on oil. I was fighting the trend and with a stop above the highs, and I got taken out. So a loser trade there, but one that we define the risk. Gold, want to point out gold and silver. I'll do a couple quick charts on those two. Again, I've had a couple requests to take a look at the long-term views of gold. The YG is trading at 928.40, and if my chart would populate here, I could talk about this a little bit further, but gold to me is probably it's kind of a bearish chart to me on the long-term daily view. We went as high as 1,036, and we proceeded to trade off 160 points, or about 15%. I think gold is probably done for a while. I think it's going to have a hard time getting over 1,000 again. I'd be a seller up to 970, right here at 930. I'm not that interested, either long or short. So that's kind of where I stand on gold. On silver, the YI, kind of the same thing. It's trading 1822, up 3% today. Inflation Nation is back in vogue today, and all assets, with the exception of the SPOOs, all hard assets, gold, oil, silver, are all running this morning, but the futures themselves are down on the lows. We hit 1360.75 on the SPOOs, and again, I think gold and oil, although running today, this could be their final blow-off. We'll see. Again, there's no reason to really sell oil again until it gets under 100. You see that 102 is your 40 period moving average. We're at 111.10 right now, so it would have to get below 100 on a close again for me to be long-term bearish on oil. I still think everybody's too frothy over oil. I think you can't go much higher. I think the demand's going to slow down, and it becomes supply and demand, folks. Right now, it's just a trader's market, and the reason why it's jumped higher is because all those stops got plugged. But we'll see. We'll see how it closes today. We'll see if it closes up here above that 110.20 area or so. So it's all on the close. They definitely ran all the stops here right on the open of the market. Remember, the oil market opens right at 7:30 on the NYMEX. So this is a lot of excitement here, a lot of big candles. The chart is definitely bullish, but it can change. Again, I'm out of my short on that, lost 60 cents after making a little bit this morning. We are short the SPOOs, have been short the SPOOs, and we'll continue to ride that down. So, again, my chart's not populating, but gold, I am not bullish, I'm not bearish. I'm neutral on it right now. I'd like to sell it maybe 970 area again on a short. Oil, again, staying away. Silver, same thing. It's up 52 cents. It's trading 18.22. Got as low as 16s. Again, I think that's probably a short on rallies moving forward. So keep that in your crawl and have a good morning.